Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to change the ringtone for calls in the Botim app. If you have been using Botim and want a personalized ringtone for incoming calls, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, scroll down and select the Notifications option. Under the Call Notifications section, find the Ringtone option and tap on it. Then, tap on the Android icon to access your device's list of available ringtones. You can scroll through the list and listen to different tones to find the one you like the most. Once you have made your selection, click on the Confirm button to save your new ringtone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.